Let's shift our focus now to Telangana, where the state's export sector is under duress due to the war in West Asia. Disrupted maritime routes, surged shipping costs and supply chain bottlenecks are all impacting the key industries in the state. Now, Telangana's export momentum has taken a slump. More than half of its outbound exports to key markets like the UAE, United States, Saudi Arabia, Bangladesh and Kuwait remain under the shadow of political uncertainty. Traders say rising shipping costs, supply-side disruptions and elevated cargo insurance premiums are increasing operational costs. Cargo carriers are now being compelled to take longer routes to bypass conflict zones, significantly raising fuel consumption as well as transportation times. Now, of all the industries, Telangana's pharmaceutical industry is bracing for significant disruption. Remember, the state exports $5.9 billion worth of medicines. This is the number for 2024-25, accounting for 19.3% of India's total pharmaceutical exports of $35.5 billion, beg your pardon. Now, according to industry sources, major companies operating out of Telangana, namely Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy's, Lupin, Torrent, Divis Labs and Taj Pharma are all among those that are most exposed to this fallout. Raw material prices have already risen by 10%, with another 10% expected to be added. While engineering goods, particularly defense and aerospace, have overtaken pharmaceuticals as the state's top export, both sectors are vulnerable to global supply chain disruptions caused by the crisis. And for more on this, our correspondent T. Sricharan Sharma has sent this report from Hyderabad. Take a look.
Geopolitical tensions and trade uncertainties are beginning to cast a shadow over Telangana's export momentum, with nearly half of the state's outbound shipments tied to markets currently facing instability or policy uncertainty. Out of 10 major export destinations for Telangana, 5 are currently experiencing turmoil or have uncertain in trade relations with India. These countries include the United States, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Bangladesh and the United Arab Emirates. Notably, nearly 50% of Telangana's exports are concentrated in these markets. Sricharan Sharma reporting for WION Hyderabad.